welcome back to another video. Today we got a Lowe's weekly ad. Actually gonna be mixing the weekly ad and the pro ad, so we're just gonna do one video because the weekly ad is not, we don't have a lot of tools in the weekly ad, so I'm just gonna mix both of them up. We got the Lowe's spring savings, May 2 to May 8, so you still got 2 or 3 more days. If you guys see this by today, Monday. Let's see here. We got Lowe's spring savings, the perfect gift for mom project. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. It's gonna be Mother's Day this weekend, so I would, if you got a mom in your life, don't forget about her. You know, at least the least you could do is give her a call or take her out to eat or something. You know, just something. Don't forget about your mom or a mom that you have, a wife. Let's see here. Let's look for some tools. We got a wheelbarrow here, 20% off. Some garden equipment there and supplies. You got some grills right here. $165 for that. $54.98. Small, compact. Alright, so we got some garden equipment here. We got John Deere E100, 17.5 horsepower, 42-inch cut, $15.99. And this was the John Deere E30, 22 horsepower, V-twin, 42-inch cut, side-by-side pedal, hydrostatic riding lawnmower, just under $2,000. And this is $25.99. This is a zero-turn Z-Trek 335E for $2,599. And then we got John Deere E140 for 22 horsepower, V-twin, 40-inch cut, $2,099. John Deere E170, 25 horsepower, 48-inch cut, $2,449. And this one's under just $3,000. It's a Z-Trek 355. Always prefer the zero turn. You got a big yard or if you're a professional. If you got a small yard, this is for you. The Cobalt 40 volt max 20-inch deck with push brushless cordless lawnmower, $249. So this is battery operated. It does include a battery and a charger. So everything's included in the kit just to go ahead and get started. And you don't have to deal with gas anymore. 2-cycle engines. Or just, well, not 2-cycle engines, but you don't have to deal with gas and oil changes and changing the air filter. The only thing you have to worry about this is keeping the battery charged and keeping it clean on the bottom and keeping that blade sharp or sharpened. You got the Cobalt 40 volt max 20-inch deck with self-propelled rear-wheel drive brushless cordless lawnmower, $349. So this is the brushless, not the brushless, the self-propelled mower. And they do got the new ones, the 80 volts, but these are on sale because these are the older ones. But these have plenty of power. And same thing with this. You know, you got the Cobalt 40 volt max 13-inch cordless string trimmer, $129. Not a bad deal. It does include a 2.5 amp hour battery kit. Got the Cobalt 40 amp or 40 volts max brushless cordless leaf blower. It does include a 3 amp hour kit. And this is the Cobalt 40 volt max 24-inch cordless edge trimmer, $129. It includes a 2.5 amp hour kit. And this is the Greenworks 1700 PSI 1.2 gallons electric pressure washer, $89. Got some bathroom stuff here and some okay, tools. So not a bad deal. Craftsman 47-piece screwdriver bit set, $9.98. Like I said, not a bad deal. If you're a DIY, those will work great for you. You got your choice. You got Craftsman 75 pack utility knife replacement blades, $12.98. Not a bad deal. Craftsman folding utility knife for $12.98. So your choice of any of these two. You got the Rockwell 12-piece Sonic Crafter F80 for our 4.2. I can't talk. 4.2 amp oscillating multi toolkit 159. And this is a great deal too if you're looking on the market for a compressor and some nail guns. Got the Craftsman 6 gallon 150 psi electric air compressor 3 tool combo kit $199. Not a bad deal. It's always great to buy a bundle. You're saving more. And this is these are great deals too for your DIY. You know, this is your choice for $99. You got Craftsman tool. So there's two tools, 20 volt max lithium ion compact cordless combo kit with soft case. You got $99. And if it says each, it says either this one or the string trimmer. It does include a 1/2 inch drill, 1/4 impact driver, and 2 1.3 amp hour kits and a charger. So 2 batteries and a charger. And this one, let's see here if we can, okay. Craftsman 20 volt max 13 inch cordless string trimmer edger for $99. So same thing. It does include a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. Not a bad deal. Like I said, this will be a short video on this. We got the Husqvarna 120 LD 28cc 2 cycle 17 inch cut $199. And then the Craftsman 140cc 21 inch cut self-propelled front wheel drive $249. Like I said, gas mowers are going down. Not going down, but going down on price. That's what I'm, you know. Alright, we got the pro pick of the week. Let's see here what this is. It's the Spider 14 piece carbide tipped hole saw kit, $99. Southwire compact wire stripper, $9.98. Southwire digital voltage kit, $24.98. Not a bad kit there. Southwire Linesman high leverage cutting pliers, $38.98. Southwire 9-in-1 multi-tool screwdriver kit or set. Not a kit or set, it's just a screwdriver. $11.98. You got the IMac used electrical box cover. Okay, no more tool. Oh yeah, Linux. 1 5/16 poly tube cutter, $24.98. Got a 1 5/8 PVC cutter, $32.98. You got the Linux 3-piece copper pipe tube cover kit, $47.98. All right, tools. Select DeWalt 20 volt max XR brushless cordless bare tool, $119. So buy one select DeWalt 20 volt max or XR brushless cordless bare tool, and get that free DeWalt 20 volt max 3 amp hour tool battery starter kit. So you get this battery for free if you buy any of these tools, I guess. Yeah, it's just showing you that. See if I can zoom in. Oops. So it looks like we got a circular saw, angle grinder, multi-tool, angle grinder, sander, and a recip saw. So any prices range from $119 to $199, depending on what you're gonna buy, and you get a battery and a charger for free. A $119 value. You got Norton 4.5 blue fire cutting wheel, $398. Irwin 6.5 drywall jab saw, $598. Linux 9-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver, $898. Got 12-inch high tension hacksaw, $1998. Cobalt 64-piece standard metric mechanics toolset hard case, $29.98. Not a bad deal. Craftsman versus Stack system rolling toolbox tower, $79.98. Norton 14-inch diamond segmented saw blade, $99. Got a nice kit here. Craftsman 135 PS standard metric mechanics tool set with hard case, $119. Save on nails and screws. Let's see here. Garden equipment. Husqvarna 500 series designed for professionals. For professionals. Yeah. Husqvarna 525 CECS 25cc 2-cycle 7.5 gas lawn edger, $319. Got a blower 570 BTS 65.6cc 2-cycle gas, $499. You got a 525P4S 25cc 2-cycle 12-inch gas pole saw, $499. 525L 25cc 2-cycle 17-inch cut gas string trimmer, $299. And then you got the 525RX 25cc 2-cycle 17-inch cut gas string trimmer, $399. You got the Hustler Raptor with fabricated deck, 23 horsepower V-twin. If you guys don't know what this means, it's I guess it's a thicker deck. HP V-twin dual hydrostatic 52-inch cut 0-turn lawnmower, $3,099. Got the Simpson 3,700 PSI 2.5 gallons per minute pressure washer, $629. Haven't used any of these. Simpson 4,000 PSI 3.5 gallon per minute pressure washer, $799. Then you got the big boy here, Hustler Raptor SD with fabricated deck, 24 horsepower, V-twin dual hydrostatic 60-inch cut 0-turn lawnmower, $4,499. Just under $4,500. Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. I got more tool reviews coming up on Tuesday, so don't forget about that. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.